All right, guys, today we're shipping out a TimberTech AZEK. This is a Harvest Collection. The Harvest Collection is a pure PVC, so it's not a composite. So it's a pure PVC decking product. We're shipping this out today. We just got it in. So we're shipping out slate gray. You know, slate gray, you can see right here, is a neutral gray color. Everything in this Harvest Collection has a really unique kind of wood grain that's kind of embossed and right in the grain of it. So if you like that really unique wood grain, the TimberTech AZEK Harvest Collection is a good choice for you. So right here is a slate gray. You can see the slate gray is a really neutral gray color. We're going to go through the other two colors in the TimberTech AZEK Harvest Collection. The next one here is a brownstone. You can see the brownstone's kind of a light tan. So if you don't want gray, but you still kind of want a neutral color, but kind of more warm color, brownstone. It's a tannish color. This is TimberTech AZEK Harvest Collection. And then the last collection, or the last color in the Harvest Collection, this is Kona. You see the Kona is a much darker color. So if you like that unique wood grain, but you want a way darker color, Kona is a good choice. It's not quite, like black, but it's really, really dark brown. It still has that wood grain embossed in it. So Kona, this is TimberTech AZEK PVC decking. So we're going to package up this slate gray deck, get it out to the customer. They're going to have their whole deck ready to go, show up on the truck, and they're ready to install it.